me and my people. When I talk that, you put doubt me. But see what I catch right now. I'm going to show you why they say if for the record, I may keep them down. Because you see whatever they talk, I'm going to show you. Ghana music. Ghana music. If people have a solution your things, but any Ghana, you see for London here, no Ghana promoter for coming for show. Nobody, like, if some artists have the new show where Ghana promoter, I don't come. Like, I can't support, I don't come. Oh, man, what I will get? Sometimes man go wasting time, but you know jet price money. Or that is why you thought they supposed to be you book the jet for me. The jet for the first one, me are booking and out. Second one, me now pay in and out cash. You did it. You go do that thing for me. The place that they stay, you rent for me. But man, the deal was take care of my team, get them business. We'll fly ourselves here. That's why I came the first time, went back, came again. Do you know how much money I spent on that? It passed the nonsense thing you do where people them are picking head and things. It passed that nonsense thing. You do job back. Shatta Movement fans, sorry, but I will play this, you know. I'll give you guys a show. I promise. I fucking promise. I'll give you guys a show, but it will be with a proper, well-organized structure. Not with this boy there where they do this thing, where they do that. Okay. Me, I tell them, you see, Dennis, I tell her. Go ask them. Me, Lordia is my father, but me, I tell Lordia. Go ask Lordia, I go tell you. I tell them the truth. Life change, world change, things change. If you iPhone 17, maybe they use, no. Don't come and tell me about iPhone 4. People just lie to everybody. That's why Ghana, when I did it, if somebody can tell me I need to travel, I go worry the person. But I go warn somebody. That's what I mean. Because the country said, if they install Shatta Wale, said, don't need mind. But if they install president there, then they go arrest. So we had the like, me, I go warn you. Make go tell police, I will warn you. I will warn you because you see the nonsense talk be too much. But I did Ghana, they live my life, I be cool, I they make money. Shout out to every promoter for Ghana. Shout out to every promoter for Ghana. You boy get money, you have passed this promoters. Shout out to every promoter for Ghana. Ghana promoters, you get money. Ghana promoters and Shatta Movement. God bless you. You have opened my eye. How you go to do show for London? You do show for London, for Shatta Wale, my town. If my boy said here for street set for years, the fry killer will say for my show, they go shop. Say, why? Yo, bro, right? Yo, man, them was hungry or what? You make the start slayer around me. You was man them hungry. Your man them was cool. Your man them was cool in Cancellation. You know, man. Somebody go, yeah, bro, Broski, you heard about the Shatta Wale show? So yeah, so we had man them was cooking like Cancellation and frying buffaloes and shit. Like, whoa, was man them hungry? I had guy like me. Charlie had guy like me who did the fried killing for my show. Had guy like me. We cylinder blast. Why? If a natural knockout, what you want to do for them? Charlie, I don't understand this thing. Which mindset you get to bring Kelewele fire to my show? Hey, Charlie. So, you guys, we have to do this together. You know, Shatta Movement fans. Sometimes you guys just want to say we built this thing together. You understand me? Anybody where you know any event, proper white people, proper where they go fit do show for we for here, we and them go fit collaborate and do show. I don't even need. I want white people where me and them no go pay me before I come and perform. Just convey me come, make I come there here, make we do promo and things and do one of shows. You understand me? I have a dream. You get what I'm saying? This body they be. But the mind day back. You understand me? The mind day back. You understand? If my team was here, what happened at the event wouldn't have happened. But whatever God does is good. That's why my team couldn't get their visas here. A lot went on. Bro, a lot went on. You understand me? The pressure where we take from Ghana come here, a lot went on. You won't do things your way. If it be Shatta Wale in show, it be what Shatta Wale go tell you where you go for do. No be what you think say you did do. Bro, I did tell you. Man, white man like to listen to things like this. Why are you saying that? No, sir, when it's my show, it gets energetic and I blah, 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 go for explain everything. I know they watch Ghana. Ghana 77 are the one fan. Because fan for no misbehave. Ghana are the one fan. Me, the fans, I say, they know they see me celebrity. They see me like my brother. As I come London, everybody say, oh, our brother come. That is how my show is. It's not like any artist in the world show, like, no, there's outdoor, yes, no, there are protocols, there are principles, there are how, okay, so Shatta, when you come from backstage, I know if you say I'll come for the toilet, white man, you know, sense the, you understand me? So those principles today, when you come, you hold the mic, I know you I will tie the mic to my dick, you understand me? White man, you know, he will give you your hand, so you be here, this your dressing room, maybe that's how they come, now carry container with hairdresser for inside. Ghana we like that. They will give you dressing room so they can carry container. You cut them small, they sell them for it for tomorrow. So wear them so you carry them come. You won't show the white man something. Man, why they say dressing room? As I mean, those things they are like, yeah, the normal, you know, things, but you see, everybody wants safety. Everybody wants, oh, where I go, I'll feel comfortable. Where I go, I'll feel this. You don't think about the safety of the people. You only thought about your pocket. And that is why this thing has gone this way. And God told me that police go come the show. God tell me, say, police go. I swear, I won't write that thing for social media. Say, Akwaba UK, if you not take care for this show, police go can't shut down the show. I tell medical, I tell my team all. Call them and ask them. Call your man. Where you call where you for do the visa for my team where you no do for. Call him and ask him. Call him and ask him what I tell him. I tell him the show, people go come out with police go can't cancel the show. Because you lie to the people. You lie to the event people, the white people where they do the event, you lie to the fans. Say they do party in the back. Then it's my show. Then you make, you know how they love kiddies. They make they bring bouncing cars. And that is why Tom and Jerry, what? Aye. All those things you discuss with me. I tell you, Ghana. You bring bouncing cars, those things, you know, nobody deserves it. But what for? And then what for that thing for? And what for? Oh, I won't be input on. Shatta movement show. Then it's Shatta movement. People Charlie. You put see everything normal. That's why I talk. From the spiritual realm. It's different from the spiritual realm. Things we talk for physical, it be different. People, they see me like every day, people, they do this, I tell people, stop, people, the thing they do, stop these things they do. God go, they disgrace you people too much. God go, they disgrace you people too much. Stop this, but still, you put the do them, you put the do this, and they try help, and they say, Charlie, sometimes I don't want to try enter this. I say, cool, I say, oh, make I just help small. I say, okay, make I don't play, okay, this one make I play with them small. Okay, this one make I, but still, you people are not getting the picture. But I need the hunger. You understand me? God bless me. You understand me? God just bless me. You understand me? I'm too much blessed. You understand me? God just bless me, bro. My company they run. As I talk to people, my company they run. You understand me? All the money people are going to give, are going to sort to God. God bless me. You understand me? So stop this nonsense. You understand me? Stop this nonsense. They lie to Ghanaians every day. They do show for them. And they are always disappointed. I see someone they say party in the park has never been there since for some years. Because the idea be check the rundown. But you put every year, any artist will go blow for Ghana. You bring a carry him come here, can't finish him, can't do some nonsense show for him, then the artist get problem. Everybody see what people do keep a looter. You bring him, come like no can't find some problem for him because the guy vexed as he did this, but something where you know if you talk. You put they bring the artists come and they can't finish them. They can't finish them. Can't put them for some nonsense plays and things. Bro. People, you know where they? You understand me? Me, I want to live life. I don't know how you want to live life, but I want to live life. You understand me? I want to make life beautiful for myself. If people are not ready to live life with me, then get out of my way. I'm going. Because me, I don't know what be attire, the hung. Me, I just they go. I don't care about food and stress. But I be happy boy. I be too happy boy. You understand me? I know they lie. You understand me? I know they lie. You know, I can't talk to my wife. You see the way they find. Your own one. You wake up and go town, they go chop something for town. Why we know you chop girl for town like those things? Every girl where they chop me, he know himself. You understand me? Every girl will chop me before he know himself. You understand me? I don't lie to women. You understand me? I don't lie to people. I'm the most realest dude in the world. I don't know how you see I'm like that. God deal with me. You understand me? So I know if you can't lie to you, the fans. So, fans, I just want to say sorry for whatever happened. The promoters lied to you. You understand me? They told you it was party in the park, but they didn't know you guys were coming for ShattaFest. ShattaFest is spiritual, bro. We came there to thank God. We came there to see God. I remember I told somebody that anybody will come, they will can't see God. You Dennis, you play with God. Hey, Charlie. Selling that blast, so like if people die, you make some nonsense people can the internet up and they say somebody die and they say somebody what nonsense is that? What nonsense is that? Shatta Wale show. You want fried buffalo? You want cook amala? Alright. If I come London and somebody don't know where bring meat pie, even come there, I go reverse the person, chop for house. Don't do nonsense. The only time I figure for you be toilet and urinal. Baba, you just go and urinate and come and continue. Let's jump. Toilet and urinal. That's what I'll put there for you. And maybe water. Maybe or water. If I won't give you something, I will know how to do it. What that? Like even bring KFC 7, they fry all my chicken and they can't do themselves and the chef compose it. It'd be nice. Hey. Then Michael Jackson they do show, they say KFC want fried chicken for the backstage. What if something happen with boom, something blast? Or people know they think. You know they think. Let's stop this thing. Understand me? And then Ghana, that nonsense everybody talk, I know they travel, I don't like that nonsense there again. I don't like that nonsense there again. Maybe nobody times I know they travel. I'm living a better life in Ghana. I'm living like Lil Baby in Ghana. I'm living like Lil Deck in Ghana. I'm living like the baby in Ghana. These are my artists, they live the rapper life. You understand me? Even though God knows, see, as God, he knows me, I like rap. You understand me? Me, I be, Baba. I don't like this thing. Like, I want people say, I make sorry for people. But just don't worry, you understand me? It's just one of those things, you get me? Like, people just don't listen to me. Like, I've been doing this thing alone, all alone, independent artists, like nobody, you understand me? My team anticipate me, I the control. But my team, if they control me, like, I cannot get here, you understand me? Shout out to Julio, man. Like, if I don't meet Julio and Abunko for my life, I don't know. The rest, I don't know. Some flags that you collect visa, so Dennis, if you don't do publication, but Dennis can blast them, man. Sometimes this thing, nonsense thing, Charlie. Nigga, I'm just trying to pick. You people go one and talk to you. You people want to talk to me or something. Make a play music for you. I go piss come. Just be here. Just won't go piss one come and make it. Shatta Wale show you won't come fry Kelly for them. Kelly for what? If I want to chop Kelly, I know if we go get Kelly. When they do this thing, like you won't do this. But I don't like that thing at all. I don't like that thing at all. Which kid really? Everyone even tell me and make I give you advice. So no, make it do this, make it. I don't like that thing. I don't like that thing at all. Like you see, this thing where you do like what my show go bring cylinder come there with cylinder who can blast for people they want to. I don't like this thing. Oh. I forget what he said. I will come talk to you guys later. The way I'm vexed.